What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. So today I've got a short little bit of fun that I'm going to do for a customer. Yes, that's right, a customer. So a lot of what I'll be showing in the videos today is a bunch of clips for all of the moderate stuff that I do, like that guy right there. So I make and we work. Well, I work with vinyl, so I do decals, signage, stuff like that you can do that we can throw up on cars, walls, offices, buildings, whatever you want, anything that a sticker will stick to, basically. So I've got a fellow neighboring business from the shop, Elevation Automotive. He's a new mechanic in town. He's been here about a couple months, and he's doing amazing stuff over there. So if you ever need a mechanic and you're in the Spanaway Graham area, come hit him up. I'll put his info in the description. But so as you can see behind me, I've got this Infinity sitting there, and it needs a sticker put on it. So I've made that a big 2 foot by 2 foot, just single color, single stage, black vinyl, which I'll show you in just a minute, that I'll be throwing on that car today. But after that, I'll be getting into the other stuff that I do that I'm getting ready to start doing, which is vinyl screen, or not vinyl, but screen printing, which is the whole reason that I've got this whole corner behind me all cleaned up this last weekend. So that can get going, which will allow me to start doing what we're going to start calling the Immoderate $5 shirts. Just a real cheap little single color, scratch it on screen print shirt that you can throw on underneath or over, like a real nice long, like Hanes dry fit long sleeve, something. Because it's the Northwest. It's what we do. It's the long sleeves shirt season all the time, but there's nothing ever any good. So you just throw a cheap little tee over it, and then you're good to go. So that's what I'll have going with that soon. Of course, I mean, then we have to get a shop set up, but I'm getting ahead of myself. So that's all that. So I'll show you what the sticker that I've got going on for Tyler over at Elevation real quick, and then I'll dive more into this screen print stuff that we got starting. All right, guys, welcome back. So starting over in the back corner, here's all the area that I'm going to be doing the screen printing stuff. So this big box that I touched on last week, that's right here. That guy is a four color carousel for screen printing. If you don't know what that is, basically you've got these screens. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. So you put your design, you put emulsion on there, and then you burn it in, you wash away the design, and then you push ink through it, water-based or plastisol-based. It's nothing new. It's been around forever. It's real simple, really, really difficult to screw it up. And it's more durable. So it's a lot better than the vinyl clothing that I had been doing, that you wash it twice and it starts peeling. So this is really how I'm investing in myself this year and really upgrading so I can start getting this stuff flowing and everything going. But enough on that for now. So let's go check out this Infinity. So I know nothing other than it's an Infinity and it's great, and I need to put a sticker on it. I think it's a Q50 or Q90, or I don't even know. But this thing is pretty freaking sweet. It's on coils. I watched him put these on a couple weekends ago. Thing is just absolutely just bonkers low. He's been doing some little minor touches to it, like diffusers and splitters and this, that, and everything. Some wheels on it. Really looking pretty sweet. It's got exhaust, obviously. The newest thing he did was this carbon fiber, which is hard to see because there's like no light in here. Carbon fiber, little duck bill, and carbon fiber diffuser down there. So what we're doing, we're putting a big old sticker right there in the middle of this window for not really advertisement purposes, but just for his business. So here's the sticker that we're putting on here. So like I said, it's Elevation Automotive. So this is his company logo. Did a little bit of touch-up work on it to kind of clean it up, because the original file that he gave me was just a PNG file with all kinds of nasty rough edges and splotches and fades and everything like that. So I spent probably, I don't know, a couple hours over the course of 2 days or so just kind of cleaning it up, getting some nice clean edges on it so that I could get it to the point where I could cut it out of vinyl nicely, and then kind of stylized it a little bit, made it kind of circular, blah blah blah, cleaned up some of the background and everything like that. But anyway, that's what I'll be doing today. So I'll be setting up a cam for that. I mean, it's nothing new, just cleaning a windshield, putting a sticker on, making sure it's straight. Alright guys, well, welcome back. So this thing turned out just absolutely sick. Like I can't even, it's just awesome. Standing right here on the side of it, I'll show you in just a second. Just standing right here on the side of it, complete sleeper mode. Like you don't even see it. You do not even see it. Come around the corner though, that sunlight hits it, and it's just, damn, fucking sick. So you probably saw there's a couple little minor bubbles I got to work on. Kind of cleaned it too good, and it wanted to just absolutely stick to that thing like instantly. I might experiment on the next one. I might experiment with some soapy water, like when you're applying tint, see if that might work. So I can at least get a couple seconds of movement before I can really dry it, heat gun it, and get it to stick. See how that goes. Because this is literally the very first one I've ever done on anything. So, well, anything this big anyway. So handling it and maneuvering it was a bit of a challenge. Normally it's, real easy to just slap it on there and you're done in a couple of minutes. But this is a 22.5 by 22.5 inch vinyl sticker, decal, livery, whatever you want to call it. But this thing is sick. All right, here you go. Let's take a look. So like I was saying, this thing just absolutely kills it. Got that flat matte black on the gray car with the tint behind it. So it really does a good job. It really just off to the side, real incognito, don't even see it. Once you come around though and you start looking, just hits you right in the face. This thing is sick. So, like I said, a couple little bubbles I gotta fix. No problem. A little bit of heat gun, a little bit of straight edge work. But damn, just look at this thing. Let me know what you guys think. Drop a comment down below. All right, guys, so that's it for that little section there. Once again, like I said, if you think that's sweet, hit that thumbs up. I think it's sweet. Y'all should think it's sweet. So, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down in the comments if you have a comment. I mean, it is what it is. All right, guys, that's it for that. We'll probably flip over to some of the screen print stuff, or I might just call it, save that for another day. But we'll catch you on the flip side.